All right, so let's look at this storefront mega menu. All right, we've already got 4 errors going. You can see them over there on the side. We've already got 4 errors. But let's dive into this and let's see what all we're looking at. So you've got to use the primary menu. Okay, not a problem. We're on the primary menu. Check. Let's take a simple URL there, and let's take the products. Now you can see a bit because of how the new customizer is laid out. You can see a bit of a preview over here. So if you take the products, okay, that's just the. Well, here let's start from the beginning. If you've got something like shorts and capris, right, or leggings, accessories, tees and tops, things like that. So you want to put something simple in there that, leggings should pop up, different leggings. Shorts and capris, same thing. So if you add just a simple text widget and give that, because it has to be in the customizer. So if you take just a simple text widget and try to put it in there, you don't see, immediately you see that the visual and text tab are now gone. So that's not going to work. But let's go ahead and put something in there real quick so that we can see it. Unfortunately, not working. And then we'll go and we'll put, let's see, let's add another one. What did I have in there? Oh, I had products. Okay. So we're not really looking to put just an arbitrary number of products in there. We can put, of course, featured products, things like that in there, on sale products, different reviews of recently viewed products, things like that. But let's say hide free show. I don't even need that here. All right. So we've got text and we got products. Now, in the write-up there, of course, you've got different things where they show you how to use it, and in the docs, you've got a million animated GIFs. But you can see that they can, you can resize them, move them around, and all that stuff. Okay, rock on, right? All right. Well, stand by. If I click Save and Publish right now, and try to view this. What happened? It's not there. Okay. So let's take away this text widget, leaving just the products. Okay. So far, everybody with me? In the preview over here, rock on. You can see that you've got denim, fiery elephants, find your mark leggings, silent night leggings, and jack-o'-lantern leggings. Rock on, right? Now here's the fun part. In the docs, of course, you've got the option to make this larger. What happens when I make it even that much bigger? So far, so good, right? So, you know what? This is looking pretty nice. Let's say I want to have 6. Okay. And it's going to Ajax JavaScript itself up there. And, all right. Just wanted to make it change just a wee bit. And I love the fact that you have to get within like 1 pixel to move to ever make this thing bigger. Preview's going to come up here. Okay, still good to go. Let's go ahead and make it all the way across and see what happens now. All right, let's click Save and Publish. And let's look at a preview of it. Well, next thing you know, you've got the the image all the way over there and the title right there. Okay, well, let's just deal with that. But you know, the actual goal there is to have you know, the exact products that you need in there. Well, the only way to get that, of course, is to go for something like use the shortcodes that are included with WooCommerce. Right? You're thinking, okay, sure, fine, no problem. Well, let's take something like this shortcode right here. So we're going to go add a widget, and let's run down here and snag the text widget, because that's what you got to use. So we're going to get the text widget, and we're going to say, okay, in this text widget, because it's interesting to, I'm going to put product ID, and there's the different product IDs. All right, let's click close, and I love this. Here we go. We're going to click, well, you know what? Let's just click Save and Publish real quick. And let's see what happens. Now, you notice that these don't show up, right? And if you go back over here and you say, okay, wait a minute. Let's see what's going on here. We got our products there. Got our text. Let's move it over here. Give it a minute, give it a minute, give it a minute, give it a minute. And voila. Huh. There's still, and again, we can go ahead and shrink this down so you can see it all the way. We've still got nothing there. The goal is to just put, you know, 8 leggings or 4, let's say, 5 or 6 shorts, capris, accessories being things like, you know, headbands, scarves, things like that, whatever you want to put up there. But the customer can't do it. So this text widget right here, well, it's kind of important that it work, because without it, you know, you've got all these different shortcodes right here, and they're now completely rendered useless, and there is no widget available that will strictly filter all of the products based on, you know, based on a category. So if I say, okay, wait a minute, I want a category, you know, you've got a list of categories. Well, no, that's not it. Filter products by attribute, no. Image, of course not. Sign up form, product categories, things like that. But, you know, of course, the actual goal there is, well, I don't want to say simplistic, because, you know, well, nothing's simplistic. Well, honestly, yeah, it pretty much is. Most sites are going to have a layout, you know, somewhat similar to this right here that says leggings, you know, product category. I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for t-shirts. I'm looking for digital camera. I'm looking for anything else. And so the inability to use that you know, that text widget, well, great. That means that the only thing you're now using is just a product widget that, you know, you can't put anything in there, or you can't specify anything in there at all, and that's not good, you know. And of course it doesn't you know, that's the gist of it, is it just kind of pops up there, and that's about it. Doesn't do anything beyond that.